Consumer rights in financial transactions are fundamental protections that every person deserves. These rights ensure that when you engage in banking, lending, or any financial service, you are treated fairly and transparently. Whether you're opening a bank account, applying for a loan, or making digital payments, understanding your consumer rights empowers you to make informed decisions and protect yourself from fraud and unfair practices. Throughout this video, you'll learn about the key protections available to consumers globally and how to exercise these rights effectively. Consumer rights are legal protections designed to ensure fair treatment in all financial transactions. They safeguard you against fraud, deception, and unfair business practices. These rights include protection from unfair contracts and hidden fees that companies might try to impose without your knowledge. They ensure the security of your personal and financial data, preventing unauthorized access and misuse. You have the right to receive clear information and complete transparency about any financial product or service before committing to it. Additionally, consumer rights provide you with recourse for disputes, meaning if something goes wrong, you have legal channels to seek compensation and resolution. There are 4 fundamental consumer rights that form the foundation of financial protection. The right to information means companies must provide clear disclosure of all terms, fees, interest rates, and conditions before you sign any agreement. Nothing should be hidden in fine print. The right to choose guarantees your freedom to select products and services without facing coercion or aggressive pressure tactics from salespeople. The right to safety protects you from fraudulent schemes, scams, and unsafe financial products that could harm your financial well-being. Finally, the right to be heard ensures you have access to complaint mechanisms and fair resolution processes when disputes arise. These rights work together to create a fair financial marketplace. When it comes to banking, several important protections keep your money safe. Deposit insurance is a government-backed program that protects your deposits up to specified limits if your bank fails, ensuring you won't lose your savings. Unauthorized transaction protection provides limited liability for fraudulent charges and unauthorized access to your account, meaning you won't be held responsible for transactions you didn't make if you report them promptly. Electronic funds transfer rights cover your ATM withdrawals, debit card purchases, and online banking transactions, giving you the right to dispute errors. Banks are also required to investigate and resolve errors within mandated timeframes, ensuring timely error resolution so you're not left waiting indefinitely for problems to be fixed. Credit and lending come with their own set of consumer protections. Fair credit reporting laws give you access to your credit reports, the ability to dispute inaccuracies, and control over how your credit information is shared with third parties. Equal credit opportunity laws protect you against discrimination based on race, gender, age, or marital status when applying for loans or credit cards. Truth in lending requirements mandate clear disclosure of loan terms, annual percentage rate, total costs, and payment schedules before you sign any agreement, so you know exactly what you're committing to. Fair debt collection practices protect you from abusive, deceptive, or harassing tactics by debt collectors, establishing boundaries for how they can contact you and what they can say. In today's digital age, payment protections have evolved to cover online and mobile transactions. Chargeback rights allow you to dispute unauthorized charges or purchases of defective products through your card network, essentially reversing the transaction. Data privacy regulations require encryption and set limits on how payment processors can share your personal information with others. Real-time fraud alerts provide immediate notifications when suspicious activity is detected on your digital wallets or cards, allowing you to act quickly. Many providers also offer zero liability protection, meaning you bear no responsibility for fraudulent transactions as long as you report them promptly. These protections make digital payments safer and more secure than ever before. Around the world, specialized organizations work to safeguard consumer rights in financial services. In the United States, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, enforces federal consumer financial laws, and investigates complaints. The European Union operates the European Consumer Centres Network, known as ECC-Net, which handles cross-border disputes and complaints between member countries. The United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, regulates financial services firms and protects consumers from unfair practices. In Australia, the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, or a CCC, enforces consumer protection laws and promotes fair trading. These agencies provide resources, handle complaints, and take action against companies that violate consumer rights. Being aware of common financial scams is crucial for protecting yourself. Phishing involves fake emails or text messages that impersonate banks to trick you into revealing login credentials and personal information. Always verify the sender before clicking any links. Impersonation fraud occurs when scammers pose as government officials, tech support representatives, or even relatives, creating urgency to request immediate payments. Investment schemes promise unrealistic returns with little to no risk, often operating as pyramid or Ponzi schemes that eventually collapse. Card skimming involves devices secretly installed on ATM machines or payment terminals to capture your card data and PIN numbers. Remember this critical rule: never share your passwords, one-time passwords, or PIN codes with anyone, regardless of who they claim to be. If you encounter a problem with a financial service, follow these steps for effective resolution. First, contact the company directly by reaching out to their customer service department with clear documentation of your issue, including dates, amounts, and any relevant communications. Second, gather all evidence related to the dispute, such as bank statements, receipts, emails, and any correspondence with the company. Keep copies of everything. Third, if the company doesn't resolve your issue satisfactorily, file a complaint with the relevant regulatory body in your country, such as the Consumer Financial Protection Agency. Finally, for serious violations or large amounts of money, consider legal action through arbitration or court proceedings. Many jurisdictions also offer free mediation services to help resolve disputes without going to court. Let's recap the most important points about consumer rights in financial transactions. Always know your rights before signing any financial agreement, taking time to understand what protections apply to your situation. Read all terms and conditions carefully before committing to any product or service, no matter how long or complex the document may seem. Report suspicious activity immediately to your financial institution to protect yourself and limit potential damage. Use only official channels when contacting financial institutions, avoiding phone numbers or websites provided in unsolicited messages. Keep detailed records of all your financial transactions and communications, as documentation is crucial if disputes arise. Remember that regulatory bodies exist specifically to help consumers when problems occur, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. Empowered consumers who understand their rights make informed financial decisions that protect their financial well-being.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.